Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí kan náà fídíò tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ máa ṣe máa play fún yín. Ẹ wo oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ àṣírí, oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ló wà nínú fídíò tí ẹ lè tú kalẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni ẹ máa ní àǹfààní láti jẹ lórí ìkànnì lẹ́nu. Tó bá yẹ kí gbà ọkọ ní ẹ̀dá fún wa lórí ìkànnì. Ẹ bá wa like, comment, kẹ́ subscribe, kẹ́ share àwọn fídíò wa kẹ́ bá lè máa jẹ ìgbádùn àwọn content bá ẹ̀sùn mọ̀ kí tí àwa kò bá rí. Àwa kì í sọ ìta bá wá síbi láti wá sọ, adéka ti wádìí dáadáa lórí ẹ̀ kí àtúwá sọ. Ẹ wo ká má fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀, ká má fi pa ejò. Ẹ ká wo fídíò yìí.
Ready for polygamy. They are not even ready to marry a single guy. Maybe for money reason, for security reason, for reasons best known to them. Òrìṣà kí n pé méjì, òrìṣà jẹ́ n pé méjì, kò dé inú àwọn òrìṣà tẹ́ ń lọ pàdé níbẹ̀ yẹn. It not reach their mind because they will not allow you. If you may have good heart, but they want àwọn kan wà, you know, many people, only God saves. Many people that come from polygamous, so go and check them. Only God, many of them, is God that saved them. Because some women, they are very, very wicked. You know your heart. You don't know the heart of the person that your man wants to bring in. You don't know the heart of the person that your man wants to bring in. So, it's better you just avoid the trouble. Because if the trouble lands bagam, you will find out that the man is enjoying with another third wife. Wallahi, these men, because I don't know how they do it, you understand? They will be enjoying with them. Meanwhile, they are probably jazzing you. Putting jazzy war. Why ma jazz here? Why ma jazz here? One more no. Some people go into polygamy with the intention to go and destroy that family. Why some come with good intention? You don't know if the person inside is gogoni weary. That one we say as you people are coming. They will just be turning the children to raba. Are you getting me? A lot of stories. Go and see many children that are mad in America. Go and be looking at their name. You'll be hearing Bashiru, Mukiki, especially Islam. It's the wrongest route. Because at least, thank God, Christians, they will say it's not good. But they practice it. But Islam says it's good. Many problems that came from Islam, especially the Yoruba people. Look at the white garment church people that practice it. Can't you see how their life is? The white garment, especially Sele, that practice polygamy. You can't see how their life is. You can never see. You can never, if you have good, your mind is good, you most likely you will be unfortunate that your man will go and marry someone that is not good. Most of the time you hardly see if you are good, the person, because there must be problem in that marriage. There's no good polygamy. Our fathers that practice it, they even use money to practice it. These Rakuregbe men that are outside now, many of them don't have money. Wow, shogun saying there by everybody. Let me go back to my auto. Because I don't want to go deep. It's topics for another day. We have many topics to bring out from polygamy. The problem in Nigeria today started from polygamous home. All the problem, competition, anger, jealousy, annoyance, bugwe, jazz, everything is from polygamy. It started from. I always look at useless people that will be saying that sharing one willy, they love each other. It's a lie. Quote me anyway. It is a lie. There's nobody that shares the same willy. It's because maybe the man is rich. Then you will see that they will. Let God open their hearts. I wish God can be opening people's hearts. Let us be reading as your hearts be. You will see that There's nowhere, none of them love each other. Abosini, nonsense ni. But because they have no choice, they have to stay there. Then they will not be doing each other labele. They will be showing each other labele. When I saw the video on Kiloruko, I saw it some blog spot. The person went to use voice changer. I will play it for you people. They had a party. Wasiu was the one that played there. Ever since Wasiu have left Emmanuela now. Of course, K1 is the type of man that will have other girlfriends. Am I lying? I believe so. Because musicians are like our Kabiyesi of Oni of Ile-Ife. They will have many girlfriends, especially the Yoruba ones. I have one question that always bothers me about people who practice polygamy. Okay, I'll be looking, love, to see what question you want to ask. Let me play it for you people. Many of you didn't hear it, where they said K1's girlfriend, one lady was aware. I will read everything for you people. Was at a party. The lady I saw, one down cool lady like this. She was praying. They now said that they had altercation between Titi Masha and K1's girlfriend. Why would anybody put out such thing and use a voice changer? It's common sense. It's those people that are hating on Titi. Wait. That's how they do in fracas. You don't know fracas. That's how they do in fracas. They will want to destroy your name. They won't come out. It might even be people that know you. That's how polygamy is. There will be people that know you. Instead of them to come out with their real face, you know it's not possible. They will go and enter inside fake ID. You will be sensing it. That this thing that they are typing out, Yara Leni. When I say Yara Leni, might be friends. You don't know. That's how they do. Let me play for you people. Let me not talk too much. Let me play for you people. One moment. I went to carry it for you people. You will hear it. So they were now spreading it. Meanwhile, they were spreading it. Some of them were now saying, who is the person that K1 said has gone forever? They were now, they were jubilating and doing this wickedness towards somebody. I told her, even Titi gone, she should be wary. Well, she should be wary because these people, these women, polygamy, enitori ba koyo ojile. And the man, you have to be careful. If the man is not fighting for you, you should also be careful. But I noticed something. When they did that thing, K1 decided to be showcasing Titi's daughter. He knew that this is a game. Oh my God, he knows that this is a game from one of his wives or one of the people he's sleeping with. He knows. I'm telling you. That's why you saw a video just yesterday and another one before that time. After that incident, he decided to showcase Anjola. It is answering them because they don't know that what they are doing now, they are going to lose completely. Because at the end of the day, K1, even though I pity Titi, if she has sense, she should just concentrate on her business. But I can't advise an adult like her that has 3 children for K1 that she should think well. It's her business. If she has chosen she wants to be with K1, then she should be ready that this is not the last one. No, they will drag her, they will go under fake ID, they will drag her. As I was saying, why is the person in severe payment? Why is this person in severe pains? You tell me, why is this person in severe pains? If not that fake ID ni o, olórí burúkú ara ẹ, fake ID ara ẹ, you are so scared of me. You can't come out with your real face. Let's even see you people's faces. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ṣe orí burúkú yìí náà lórí social media. Let's see your faces. But ìbẹ̀rù ò jẹ́, èmi nìyá yín. Èmi nìyá yín, mo àlè jati. As I was saying before, I was really interrupted by any àná. So here it is. Ẹ máa gbọ́ o. No, not this one, no. Okay, let's listen to the one that circulated first before the one that this one. Continue with my amebo. This is the one. Can you imagine? You want to say something that happened at a party. Do you understand? And you use voice changer. Doesn't that send a long message to you all? Why did you use voice changer? That is the party. This is Titi Basha. This is the girl, the lady they said is dating Wasiu too. You use voice changer if truly something happened at that party. You understand? Why would you use voice changer? It's just like me. You know, I talk on the social media, yeah, and something happens, and then I will go and use voice changer. What is my ulterior motive? Why would I use? You people think, why did this person that started these rumors, why did the person use voice changer? Ibẹ̀ ni mo ṣe ti gbà wọlé until I saw Titi's response. Ni mo ṣe decide láti analyze it. Do you get me? Oh yeah, go back. Go back now. Let's start. Let's focus on Balema.
Al-Fathia, Masha, Yamalu, Ilinganagara, Kutibasi Jambero, she was you to key Al-Fathia Tadanga to Iyawo, and this is gone forever. Tell be ready, let's go pussy canny party. Kiwamua Suriata Rebu, Muda Jadi anything is Suliamalu, or Moto Sosong, you would duck by that phone, and stop shave. You want to tell me, Nipo Sibu, you want to be a wine in the Assenger, but pushing return, people being a critic, Garaka, Kilipasha lady, Garden it is. Baba would say, will be rara, I want more Babari, Kimi, or Soso, or no one to tell Alawan now, I will know Lulu, but not buy that Setivan, it's a good body down once when I will touch your Yatiwa, and for sorry Pamalani, come off Shogiki, I want she share me, almost Shelawa, I didn't real, I didn't know, but I didn't Kiwa, because while I want to make a dead by the lucky Baba, when we stage of confoil or Kia. So, would you don't like one do the one that one? Oh, so there man go full correct. We can see what I share, Sitimasha, Iyawo Mrs. for me, Madame gone forever. When she was no matter to around, she wants to be a manager because I possibly, and you know him for Yawu Baba, any respect. JG.
Okay, did you see that? You can see that. That's hold on one moment. This was the first thing that came out. That people were not like, hey, Titi Masha went to Kinikon with Sulia Malu, Abisulia Kinikon, blah 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 blah. I didn't believe. Because if there was anything like that, there was back and forth at the party, or there was any embarrassment being between them, they disgraced themselves, Asha Mari video. Is it not here we sat down? Ajoko Sibi Natari Osita ta. Did we have to? Did they come out to give us this voice changer? No. So I personally, when I saw it, I sensed. No, this is somebody after Titi. So later on, another one surfaced. Wait. they were now, of course, you know, TikTokers now, and when you take party, what if they sorrow lórí ẹ̀. I chose not to talk about it because I didn't feel it. I was waiting to see something to back it up, because someone using a voice changer, if you know about people using voice changer, you will know it's somebody that most likely everybody knows, or Titi knows, or knows herself, that is scared to be recognized. That's why she used a voice changer. And most likely the person was even at that party. Most likely, you never know. But they didn't relent. Another one surfaced. Listen to this one, oh, and listen to it neutrally, as a neutral person. Listen to it.
Fọlákẹ́ ń bọ̀ tàn pàtí ní Títí àtàwọn skóòdì làwọn náà ń bọ̀ tà lẹ́yìn. Wọ́n bá ń sọ yí pé ìkọ́nú wọn sọ pé ìbílẹ̀ yẹn dà ń pé ó máa lórí láyà ó kó tún wá sí pàtí yìí ṣó ti yé yín. Wọn mọ̀ pé Sùlíà máa ló wà lẹ́yìn wọn bí ìyẹn ṣe kígbe ìbílẹ̀ sọ Fọlákẹ́ wá yí ojú padà. Àwọn Fọlákẹ́ fúnra ẹ̀ ló sọ fún mi o. Ó wá yí ojú padà pé bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ní àwọn wèrè tó ń wẹ̀ ni o, àwọn wèrè tó ń wẹ̀ ni tó ń bè lọ́wọ́ ara wọn pé ìbílẹ̀ náà dà nípò olórí láyà. Síyá tí Sùlíà máa ló ṣe fún wọn, ó bú wọn débi ń pé Fọlákẹ́ lòun ṣàwọn pẹ̀lú kí lélẹ̀ torí Ọlọ́run pẹ̀lú wàhálà wò lélẹ̀. Ó bú wọn débi tó lápẹ̀rẹ̀. Nǹkan tí bàbá yìí sọ pé tí Sùlíà sọ kò sí rọ́ńbẹ́. Ó bú wọn látòrí délẹ̀ ni. Ìtọ́ tẹ̀ wá bèrè pé ìbílẹ̀ yẹn dà ń pé olórí láyà wà.
Sorry, you heard that say nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn, you know, the person that used the voice changer wanted to, sounded like a man. I can assure you people, a voice changer, I can be a woman and I will sound like a man. So forget it. So for this person to say nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn sọ, it just goes to show that I wouldn't say it's possible she knows the person that did that voice changer. Yeah, because it's a woman, blow she voice changer. Yeah, I can use my full chest to say it. Okay? It's a woman that did the voice changer. Now continue. Not a man.
Kò ríbi tó fẹ́ gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ayé ara ẹ̀ gbà wọ́n ti rọra ẹ̀ pín sí Àyìndé lọ́rùn pátá. Wọ́n rọra ẹ̀ pín sí Àyìndé lọ́rùn totally. Sis. Ẹ ǹlẹ́ jàre, ṣé àlàáfíà lẹ wà? Ṣé rí Títí onílára ni? Èmi ò mọ̀ nǹkan tó jẹ́ kó rò pé bẹ́ẹ̀ Fọlákẹ́ ń fẹ́. Wọ́n máa ń sọ fún àwọn èèyàn ni. Wọ́n máa ń rò pé Fọlákẹ́ ń fẹ́ Àyìndé torí a ní fowó ṣe yẹn. A ní fowó ṣe Ìkòròdú dẹ̀ lọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀, Christian lọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀, Steve, American bàbá yẹn wà, àgbàlagbà ni. Kò ń ṣẹgbẹ́ Àyìndé gan. Àgbàlagbà Steve a ní fowó ṣe lọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀, ọmọ Ìkòròdú lọ́kọ̀ ẹ̀. Bọ̀ a ní fowó ṣe tó ń gbọ́ tó ń jẹ́ yẹn, wọ́n ti believe pé Àyìndé ni. Ṣáyìndé ní kan ló ń já ní fowó ṣe. Ìwọ Títí kan tó fáyìndé ṣe bí màṣá ló ń jẹ́ òjá ní fowó ṣe. Kí wàá lè ṣòro ayé ẹ̀ ìwọ tí lára ti bá ti ẹ jẹ́ yìí. O mọ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan kan tọmọ yìí ní. Tí Fọlákẹ́ yìí ní tó wọ́n bí ìyá bàbá ńlá kú bàbá ẹ̀ wọ́n bí ìyá ẹ̀ kú ìyá Títí wọn ò bí kú ẹ̀rí diamonds ọrùn ọmọ mi ni ẹ̀rí diamonds tó lò lọ pàtì yẹn kí ni ṣọ́bí Títí dá ni Títí tó lọ fẹ́ dààmú tààrà góòlù lọ́wọ́ ẹni tẹ́jú oṣó kó bàa lè máa rí góòlù lọ ìyá lọ sí pàtì. Nǹkan tí yẹn fi ń sọ fún ẹ pé nǹkan tó bá bá lọ́rùn àwọn táwọn ló ń ṣe àwọn òyà anything wọ̀. Àmàlẹ́ tó rìkọ́dẹ̀ ẹ̀ because mo gbọ́ pé kò ń ṣe nǹkan kékeré gan mà ní. Ẹ pé Sùlíà ó tẹ ojú wọn mọ́lẹ̀ bí ó tẹ ojú wọn mọ́lẹ̀.
Please, since you people after the party 1 week, we are here to see the video of Sùlíà abusing the people àwọn gangi Titi Masha. I hope people are understanding why I'm saying to marry someone that is polygamous in nature, or be to go and be doing polygamy, it's not a kid's joke. And it's over ready koma terisi. Because you know, Ashwa Lion, I want nonsense people come mama type on lara ni. Epo Sasha Lion. Okay, this person is talking now. We are yet to see the video. We are yet to see the video of this incident. When and see how she's talking. You know, Titi is knocking one man Adamu in Kinikon where she borrows gold. Where she borrows gold. What has that got to do with what is on ground? Do you understand? It's just to say, Titi, you know the voice changer to that one who said, Titi is not, the kini consulia, Olowo wa diamond, Titi dere, is her mother's property, abi her mother's clothes she's selling and using it to post. Shebi, it's not everybody that will not have good mother. Titi is lucky to come from a very fantastic background. That's why the parents, they were not in support of her ever being with K1. I don't know them personally. We heard. You can't even see anybody from a good home. From a home, well-to-do home, that wants their kids to marry or be with a musician. But ti run ori ara e mo pe afi lao. That's where and what she wants. What can the mother do? What can the father do? They can't do anything. It's not every parent. It's not everybody that will be unlucky not to have iya, ti o lajesheku. She is lucky that the mother o jajesheku. Omo bowo nile, àìmọye irú wọn tó bowo nile tí wò ṣe ṣẹ́kù. Is it not ìlara that you people will sit down and be abusing somebody tí ìyá ẹja àjẹṣẹ́kù fún torí nǹkan jogún? Do you know that even gave her edge? I'm telling you, because K1, as you are seeing him like that, he loves people from good homes. Maybe he doesn't want the responsibility of Awon, Iyako àti Babako Bonvitani, but I know he likes. Look at Wendy now. Wendy comes from, her father was a professor during his lifetime. They also didn't want Wendy to be with K1. But you know, as you all know, many of these women, Wendy too already had a child. So sometimes when you find yourself in situation whereby you've had a child before, you may opt for lower than, because your caliber of people that you grew up with, they wouldn't like after one. If you get what I'm trying to explain there. Likewise, Titi, she too is after one. She too, she's also after one. So it may drop your self-esteem as a woman. I don't know what K1 tells them, and they fall head over heels for him, but those girls are from good homes. Now this world I see say people they take orire bunyon, they go take good thing, abuse you. Pay somebody they inheriting mama stuff. He can't they use and they pose. I beg those people that don't have father and mother, and if you find that irú wọn ló búyàn yo, àwọn ọmọ olówó búyàn, àwọn ọmọ kò níyàn, àwọn ọmọ kò lénìyàn, àwọn ọmọ nobody, àwọn ọmọ tí orúkọ wọn sí lórí map, àwọn ọmọ tí ọ̀nà normal, àwọn òbí wọn employ àwọn òbí àwọn èèyàn báyìí láti ṣe ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ni, àwọn ló máa ń búyàn báyìí because tẹ́ bá rí ẹni that comes from a good home, they are always, you will go and find out people from good home, they are scared to abuse people's parents because they look at everybody as my parents prestigious, so they can't open their mouth baga. They can't just open their mouth baga to insult people. It's not about Sulia now. The person talking here is not Sulia. We are not, we don't have any business with Sulia here. We don't have business with her because she is not, there's no video to showcase anywhere. Only part that lady, we saw her was when she was praying K1. K1 was praising her. So she cannot be insulted. You can't abuse someone that is not. We don't know the people that did all this, but me, I know that it has to, because from this person's response, which I will read it, I'm just allowing not listening to that. I'm just saying that, can you see the ulterior motive of these people? They just want to hate on that lady called Titi and to insult her. That is why the husband is carrying that her daughter. What's Anjola? He's doing that to try and make her happy because he knows that this is uncalled for. This is uncalled for. Nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe is uncalled for. Kò sí ní K1 ti lọ ná. It's uncalled for. What you people are doing is uncalled for. It is clearly showing here that you people's motive is just to abuse and lie on Titi. It's showing. Ẹ wo bẹ́ ṣe ń bú ọmọ ẹni ẹlẹ́ni, ẹ wo bẹ́ ṣe ń bú ọmọ lọ́mọ. Why? Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ à ń fẹ́ K1 àbí à ń fẹ́ K1. Why? When there's no story backing it up. So is it also a crime for someone to get to a party and she refused to go on the stage to go and meet? Maybe they are back, maybe they are not back. It's their business. Yeah? Is it a crime? Is it a crime? It's not a crime. You people are in for a long time. We're already. We are watching it. Go and rebuy. And rebuy. You people are too desperate. K1 is purposely showcasing Anjola because of these things you people are doing. He's purposely doing it. Oh, more. Ma yen more. Àgbàlagbà ni. Kò ṣọmọdé. Ẹ kò dẹ̀ ti lose. Ẹ tún máa lose lọ ni. Continue.
Bí wọ́n ló tọ́jú ọmọ lẹ̀ bí ọmọ àlè burúkú ní títì yẹn. Ọmọ àlè burúkú ní olórí burúkú iṣẹ́ mọ̀. Ó ti.
Okay, why call her ọmọ àlè olórí burúkú? Do you care? Are you people feeling me? Ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yín sí ṣé Títí ní issue pẹ̀lú ẹ̀? You can tell ọ̀rọ̀ pé suspicion is that K1 is back with Titi and every òun ni ó fi ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe. And the Alhaji that all of you know, ẹ máa rí, Alhaji máa show gbogbo yín wo Titi ẹ̀yin gan lẹ máa jẹ́ ká Alhaji wá. Ṣé bí gbogbo nǹkan tá tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sìn àwa tá a mọ̀ Alhaji àti sọ fún yín pé bó ṣe máa rí rè. Ṣé àwa nú lé yẹn ní àsínbẹ̀ because gbogbo wa when you have know somebody and you people can, you know him, you know how he flows, how he loves and everything. We were sọ fún yín lọ́jọ́ náà lọ́hùn pé bí báyìí kò yẹ kó rí báyìí bá Alhaji ṣe ń ṣe kọ́ lélẹ́yìí. Nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí gangan ló máa mú Alhaji wá fẹ́ Títí tí ó jẹ́ pé you people, you don't know that man hates it. What you people are doing now is you are making him to make sure that Titi, I know Alhaji débẹ̀ ni. Ó máa mọ̀ pé àwọn tóun bá sùn lè ń ṣe nǹkan báyìí fún ọmọ yìí. Titi, he will know. Ẹ̀yin lẹ máa lose. You are losers. losers ni. Why call ọmọ ní olórí burúkú? Why? Kí ló ṣe o? Kí ló kan tó ṣe o? Èèyàn dé party ẹni kò lọ sórí stage. Ẹni òun àti àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ àti Suliaja. Okay, why wo búra wọn? Okay, the video. Now again, why are you abusing Titi? Why? Why? It's just that you target Titi to want to be dragging her and be insulting her online. You can't bring out your face. Shame on you. You bang.
At any given time, same guy to well over to 40. Shamo àwọn lé títí tú ni. Shamo rí àwọn èèyàn tó ti fi gbára wọn ṣá. Ọmọ olórí burúkú yẹn tí ó lọ́rùn. Ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí ma wá fídíò ẹ̀ kan máa send sí. Kò lọ́rùn rárá àfi bí ọká. Ṣé wá rí chin ẹ̀ dẹ̀ nǹkan ayé.
Isn't this person now?
Fídíò yẹn fún yín. Kẹ́ wo bó ṣe rí.
Yeah, but Alhaji like her like that now. Can you imagine? How can you be complaining about somebody's neck? Please, are you her boyfriend? Are you her husband? Why? You see, when people are talking, please listen before you understand. You act, or you foremost listen and tell me, is this not just simply hating on her because she's on K1? That is all. These people only came for her because of K1. Book of a dot your money. And kò ṣe ẹni tí wọ́n lè dọ̀tí because kò tọ́yàn ó rọra ń ṣe ayé ẹ̀mí. Shame on all of you. If he shove for una, you know I run there. After all, everybody will go run and we born for K1. It will do. Many of them not stay. It may be a setup to Yeye from Titi side to get Alhaji's attention. My dear, can't trust anyone. I mean, no, I don't agree. I don't agree. No, I don't agree. Don't say that. I don't agree. No, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. No. No, it's haters that will think like that. I don't agree. I beg to disagree. Now, so Titi updated in response to all this hula boo. She updated, and when she updated, that was when I decided that I'm interested in the case, because I thought to myself, I was waiting for video of how Titi went and said having her or her gang had problem till tomorrow. Till the video yìí. Till tomorrow. Till the video yìí. Till tomorrow. Now, I'm coming. I will read it. I don't agree. So I will read it. I don't want to play the music. So it says, attention, attention. It's on her page. I got it from her page. Al-Fathia and Sulia Malo are not friends. You know, they said there was confrontation between Al-Fathia's friends, this voice changer, Al-Fathia's friends and Sulia Malo. Here, listen. Attention, attention, she says. Al-Fathia and Sulia Malo are not friends. They have no affiliation with each other. Nothing happened at the party between them on Sunday regarding the false trending news on social media. Al-Fathia, if you notice, that party, there there's no, you know, since we will say when Fathia and K1 had issues and everything, you will hardly